I know you're all saying, Jim, we need more pizza pizzazz. Well, guess what is happening today? This week pizzas were 97 cents. So I bought one. Of course, they didn't have any of the plain cheese pizza. They had Supreme. So here's my Supreme, and I took off a couple of the ingredients. These ones are kind of stuck on there. So I'm working with this. I'm going to turn this pizza, pizzazz it up, and I'm going to turn it into a Cuban sandwich type pizza. Pizzazz. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party. Good. Yeah! The star of a Cuban sandwich is pork. So we're going to start this pizza with some pulled pork. Next comes a little bit of Deli ham. Next, bread and butter pickle slices. Next comes some Swiss cheese. Finish with some American mustard. Time to bake according to directions. Pizzazz. It looks good. Time to give it a whirl. Hot. But great. I love the pork and I love the pickles so much. The pickles are why I'm really loving this pizza. The pickles mixed with the meat and that bit of mustard on top. It's a phenomenal pizza. You know what? You can pizzazz a pizza up too. And I will continue to make pizza pizzazz. If you want to see more, check out my Pizza Pizzazz playlist. You can even subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and you'll see all my videos pop up. Thank you for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Until next time, I'll see you later. Why was the teacher covered in mustard? Because she was a sub.